How to see your Facebook password if you have forgotten it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily check your Facebook password if you forgot it. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So this method only works if you have previously saved your Facebook password on your Google account or Gmail account. So I'm going to show you guys how you can check it. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Google or Gmail app and then make sure that you're logged into the account that's connected to your Facebook. Tap on your profile icon at the top right and then tap on Manage your Google account. Now you'll land on your Google Account Manager. All you have to do now is simply head over to the Security tab and scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here you'll find your Password Manager. Simply tap on Manage Passwords and it will show you all of your saved passwords right here. So just tap on Facebook and use your PIN or fingerprint, whatever you have set up. I'm just going to use my fingerprint right here and you will be taken to this page. Now, after you tap on this eye icon right here, it will reveal your password and you can easily log into your Facebook. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.